Scan for SOVI and straight A's only. Let's go! Statistics problems like this look intimidating, but you can solve them in 60 seconds by breaking down the population parameters and the standard error formula quickly. First, identify the population proportion P as 0.44 and the sample proportion P hat as 0.65 based on the 650 successes out of 1,000. Next, use the population proportion to find the standard error. The formula requires the square root of P times 1 minus P, all divided by the sample size n for accuracy. Finally, build the z-score by subtracting the mean from the sample proportion and dividing by the standard error. We look for the probability of being greater than this calculated value. Nailed it! Scan now! Don't use sample P or skip the complement. Always use population P and check the inequality to avoid common testing traps today.